Hey yo, it's Malika here, reporting live from Topanga Canyon, and I'm giving you an update on the state of the garden, Satya Truth Garden that is. We've got some lovely sunflowers popping up from last year, and blackberries, blueberries, boysenberries, which have little spikes. I just learned, so she needs to be trained a little higher. And raspberries back here. More sunflowers. We've got some seedlings in the corner. They've been struggling since the fire, but we're gonna get it back because it's the new moon. And we have this gorgeous Roma tomato gargantuan column here. Look at that. So many caprese dairy-free salads coming your way this summer. Some lovely Spanish lavender. Basil, which is flowered, and that's really good for pollinators. You want some of your plants to flower, let them go to flower. For your friends, the bees, the wasps, and the hoverflies. We've got pomegranate tree here, and I'm gonna have to train her as well. Some lovely blueberries to be, and grapes. I'm so excited for a grapevine to happen. The poppies popped up on their own, which is fabulous, and rosemary holding it down with some integrated pest management. This is something that gophers do not like. And that plus this little contraption here, which is a sonar deflector for gophers. Thank you, dear, for that. Is keeping all the plantalones nice and safe. And if you would like to join in on the fun, we should be having an event series happening on Fridays down the street. And I'll be offering some wild crafted mocktails by my friends at the Mertails. And that's all for now. Much love. Peace and blessings. See you soon. So this is the Satya Truth Garden Guardian for his BB. For his Bobo, and he keeps the rodents at bay just by being his sweet sassy self. So be sure to thank your pets. They are integral to the permaculture movement. Thank you, BB, for your service.